A former Tulsa County prosecutor says justice was not served in an animal cruelty case she filed charges on before leaving the DA's office.
The Collinsville couple got deferred sentences, which means no jail time, after they were charged with having more than 100 animals in small cages. News on 6's Jonathan Cooper joins us live with these new details. Jonathan?
Craig and Lori, Shelby Lindbergh no longer works here at the Tulsa County District Attorney's Office, but she is upset with a recent sentence. We do want to give you a heads up. Some of the images you're about to see could be disturbing for some people. Shelby Lindbergh says in her mind, justice was not served in a recent Tulsa County animal cruelty case.
We should be seeking justice, and we're not seeking justice for animals when we allow these kind of cases to fall by the wayside.
Lindbergh is a former prosecutor with the Tulsa County District Attorney's Office and now a board member on the Tulsa Humane Society. While working as a prosecutor last December, she was assigned the case of Samuel Smith and Michelle Garrett. At that time, deputies discovered more than 100 farm animals living in tiny cages without food or water on their property near Collinsville. They also found several dead animals.
There was feces everywhere. There were flies everywhere. It was shocking.
In February, Lindbergh left the DA's office and the case was handed off to someone else. Last week, Smith and Garrett pled guilty and were given deferred sentences of 3 years and 18 months, meaning no jail time if they meet certain guidelines. Eric Graylis is the first assistant DA for Tulsa County and says several factors came into play in the sentence.
Poverty, there was a divorce involved, lack of criminal history. We thought probation was the best solution in this particular case to both hold them accountable for what they did, but also show some level of mercy.
Lindbergh says the Humane Society hopes future cases involving animals have more accountability.
We understand their job is difficult and they have a lot of cases, but traditionally speaking, animal cases tend to be put on the back burner.
The Humane Society of Tulsa is now caring for those animals. Live in Tulsa, Jonathan Cooper, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.